In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to organize your work in Wrike. By the end, you'll know how to navigate a space, switch between key views, add the views you need, and use simple filters to focus on what matters so you can keep projects moving smoothly. Start by opening Wrike and signing in so you land in your workspace. From the left-hand navigation, head to Spaces. Spaces are where teams or projects live, so choose the space that holds the work you want to manage. Click into that space to open it. Next, open the space overview. Think of the overview as your home base for this space. It gives you quick context, what the space is about, who's involved, and what's pinned, so you always know you're in the right place before you dive into tasks. Now, let's explore the different ways to look at your work. Switch to the table view. This view works like a spreadsheet, making it easy to scan tasks, see key fields like status, assignee, and due date, and make quick inline updates. It's great when you want a precise column-based snapshot or when you're reviewing lots of details at once. Move over to the board view. This is your visual workflow, grouped by status. It's perfect for tracking progress at a glance. As work moves forward, you'll see it flow from left to right, which helps teams spot bottlenecks and keep momentum. Next, open the Gantt chart. Here you'll see your tasks laid out on a timeline. It's ideal for planning, understanding how work overlaps, and ensuring deadlines line up. If you manage schedules, this view becomes a powerful planning tool. If you want even more ways to see your work, use the plus sign near your view tabs to add another view. Pick the view you need from the options available so the space reflects how your team prefers to plan, track, or report. With your views set, refine what you see. Open the All Tasks menu to quickly choose what's displayed. For example, everything in the space versus a narrower slice of work. Then open Filter presets to quickly apply common filters without building them from scratch. To get deadline focused, choose due date and set the time frame that matters right now, such as today or this week, so urgent items rise to the top. With the right view and filters applied, organize your tasks here. Review what's due, confirm statuses, and make sure each item is in the right place so priorities are clear and the team knows what's next. That's it. Open your space, pick the best view for the job, add any others you need, filter by what's important, especially due dates, and tidy up your task list so your work in Wrike stays organized and actionable.